Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lesson number 4 of Qudoori. First of all, let me make this screen a bit smaller. Okay, so let me explain the words now. So we have sunan, which is the plural of sunnatun, okay, which means practice of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Tahara, we've done that before. Ghasl, we've done that before. Al-yadain is the plural of yad, which means hand. Yad is yadal. Thalathan means 3. Qabl means before. Idkhalihima, idkhal is from the bab adkhala, is a masdar from the bab adkhala yudkhilu, to enter or to put in, to immerse. Al-ina'a, it's ina, it means a container. Container. Idha means when. Istayqadha, okay, this is from the bab istayqadha. Yastayqidu, yastayqidu, istiqaz means to wake up. Okay, wake up. Al-mutawaddi, you that means the person who is performing wudu. Okay, this is the person performing wudu. Min nawmihi, from nawmihi. Nawm means sleep, his sleep. Wa tasmiyatul ibad. Tasmiyah, it means to say the name. Okay, it's to name. Tasmiyah is to say name. Allah Ta'ala fi ibtida'i. Ibtida' means the beginning. Wudu, it means performing ablution. Siwak, it means the action of cleaning the teeth. Action of cleaning the teeth. Madmada, it means to wash the mouth, out. Istinshaq, it means to wash the nose out. Then you have masah, means wipe. Udhunain, okay, it means ears times 2. Takhleel, it means to pass through, okay, which is passing the fingers through. Al-lihya is the beard. Asabi is fingers, plural of isba', okay, it's a plural of isba'. Tikrar is repetition or repeating. Ghasl is to wash. That's 3 times. So that's the explanation of the words themselves. Right, now let's add the vowels now. So this is sunanu at-taharati. Ghaslu, okay, ghasl means to wash. Al-yadain, this is the mudaf, and this is the mudaf ilayh. Okay, so because it's in the dual state, then obviously it's going to be yadaini, okay, in that form. Thalathan, okay, 3 times. Thalathan, this is mansoob ala maf'ul mutlaq, it's the sifa of a maf'ul mutlaq. Okay, sifa of the maf'ul mutlaq, so it would be like this. It would be ghaslan thalathan, okay, ghaslan thalathan, and then this ghaslan is removed and you're left with thalathan. Okay, qabla is a dharf, so it gives a fatha. Idkhali and mudaf ilay, so this is the mudaf from mim there. This is mudaf ilayhi, mudaf ilayhi. Idkhal Right, now although this is a masdar, the masdar actually acts like a fi'l, which equals a fi'l. It has the action of a fi'l. So this is why the word ina is given a fatha, because this is the maf'ul bihi. Okay, maf'ul bihi of al-idkhal. Idha, when, istayqadha, this is past single times one. He, istayqadha, when he wakes up, or the mutawaddi wakes up. Now this mutawaddi'u, okay, when he wakes up, this is the file. Min nawmihi, okay, because of harf al-jar given a kasra. Wa tasmiyatu, okay, tasmiyatu, because this is the ataf, and the ataf is done all the way up to here. Okay, ataf is done all the way up to there. That's why you start the sentence off again with a fath, a dhamma, but one only because it's a mudaf, and the word Allah is the mudaf ilay. Ta'ala against the fi'l, ta'ala exalted. Fi, okay, harf al-jar, ibtida'i, because harf al-jar, and only one because it's mudaf again. This is mudaf ilayhi, so that you're given a kasra. Again was siwaku. Okay, so here like this, ataf again was siwaku. Okay, dhamma and madmadatu, istinshaqu. So all of these, because of this ataf that's going on, they're all going back to over here. Okay, and waw again, wa mashu, wa all of that. So that's why they all have dhamma. This is the mudaf, this is the mudaf ilayhi. And udhunayn, because it's times 2, it takes this form because it's in the majroor state. Wa takhlilu, again mudaf, lihyati, doing takhleel of the beard. Wal asabi, now this waw here is actually ataf, onto here. So kasra over here, so takhleel lihyati wal asabi, doing takhleel of the lihya and doing takhleel of the asabi. Wa tikraru, okay, mudaf and mudaf ilayhi, kasra, ila, okay, this is kasra. Right, so let's have a look at this sentence now. So now if you look carefully, this is the mubtada, and then the khabar, right, is all of this, the whole thing, the rest of it, the entire thing is all the khabar. So what is sunnah of tahara? What are the sunnahs of tahara, purification? In other words, what are the sunnah acts of wudu? They're all these things that are mentioned here, and if you put all them together, it makes the khabar of sunnah of tahara, which is the mubtada. Right, so now let's do the next phase now. Right, so here we have several issues that are mentioned over here. So we have over here it's mentioned that sunnah of tahara. What are the sunnahs of tahara? What are the sunnah acts of purification? Here Imam Qudoori actually mentions 9 things which are sunnah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the 9 things, and I'll do it in different colors so it becomes distinct. So this is number 1. Okay, this is the first. Right, so we can put number 1 there, and then number 2, let's choose another color, green maybe. So we have tasmiyatullah ta'ala fi ibtida' al-wudu, this is number 2. And then we have number 3, choose another color for that, is siwak. And then we have number 4, okay, for that let's use the darker blue. We have madmada, and then we have number 5, which is al istinshaq. Okay, so we have 4, 5, and then we have Mashul Udunain, which is 6, and then we have Takhlilul Lihyati 7, and Asabi 8, and finally we have Tikrar al-Ghusl al-Thalath. So these are the 9 things which Imam Qudoori mentions as being sunnahs. When we say sunnah, refer to sunnah muakkadas of performing wudu. What are they? The 9 are these. Number 1, so what they would have in the olden days, let me just zoom out. They'd have, let's say, a bucket like that in the house, and what would happen is that people would enter their hands directly inside of this bucket to take out the water, scoop out the water with their hands and perform the wudu. So the Prophet ﷺ, he told the Sahaba that they should not directly enter their hands into the bucket if one of them has woken up from sleep. And the reason for that is because maybe impurity or maybe some sort of something which will contaminate the water maybe on their hands, and hence what they should do is they should wash their hands outside of the container 3 times before they actually start performing their wudu. So this is the first sunnah, and this is why it says that washing of the hands 3 times before entering them into the container when the person wishing to perform wudu, the mutawaddi, wakes up from his sleep, min nawmi. Number 2, tasmiyatullah ta'ala. Tasmiyatullah ta'ala is saying Bismillah. Okay, saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Saying this at the beginning of wudu is something which is considered to be a sunnah practice, and it's something the Prophet ﷺ, he told the Sahaba radiyallahu anhum also to say before they begin their wudu. So tasmiyatullah ta'ala means saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim at the beginning of wudu. Number 3 is using the, so the word siwak actually means is to clean the teeth, and in them days they would normally use a tool which is a bit like this, which is called the miswak, a branch of a tree, to clean their teeth. And the siwak is actually cleaning of the teeth going sideways, okay, right, left. This is the action of performing miswak, cleaning of the teeth. So cleaning the teeth in wudu is also something which is considered to be sunnah. Number 4 is washing out the mouth. So washing out the mouth, it means swirling the water in the mouth, and also gargling if possible. So gargling if one is not fasting, making sure the water goes all throughout the mouth to perform what we call madmada. Istinshaq is actually the action of sniffing water in the nose slightly. So sniffing slightly in the nose and cleaning out the nose is the action of istinshaq. This is also something with sunnah. Number 6 is mashul udhunain, which means the wiping of the ears. So the wiping of the ears, okay, let me just demonstrate. Here you can see this picture of an ear. What the wiping of the ear entails is that you wipe the area which is around here. So this part, the back part of the ear, this area, and the back of it. So if you can imagine your thumb going on the back, and with your index finger cleaning this area, choose another color. Okay, this area inside your ear. Okay, this is the wiping, and the main wiping of the ears is the outside of the ear. So wiping of the ears. Takhlilul lihyati. So here's a picture of someone with a beard. So what happens is the fingers are passed through the beard from underneath outwards. This is the action of takhlil, passing fingers through the beard. Wet fingers pass through the beard. Al-asabi, takhlil al-asabi, it means to take one finger or take one set of fingers and to pass them through the other finger. And you can imagine this when you pass your fingers, when you're washing your fingers very thoroughly, and you're passing your fingers through other fingers. And number 9, finally, tikrar al-ghusl or al-ghasl ila thalath, repeating the washing of everything 3 times. So all those things that must be washed should be washed 3 times. So let me just summarize the things that need to be washed for you. So you have number 1, which is washing of the hands. Okay, so you do 3 times, and then washing of the mouth, you do this 3 times, and then washing of the nose, you do 3 times, then washing of the face, again 3 times. Number 5, washing of the arms. Okay, this is 3 times. Number 6 is washing of the feet. Okay, all of these things are done 3 times each. Okay, so that's basically the lesson.